chest adrift in flame. Your step unfolds and softly clears, like space that shifts as I move. Face unfolds in shifting lines. I move in no walls, none time. Weightless movement carries me through the lines of energy. Every emotion light and free, becoming what it wants to be. Weightless movement in my way, moving where the rhythm I pass through shapes that melt and change. The world rearranges strange. A rhythm flowing through my chest, guiding everything I